Hi guys, and welcome to MsDisneyReviews. Today is a very exciting episode because I'm going to show you all these toys from Paw Patrol. Here I have the Ryder's Rescue ATV and Chase's Cruiser. We're also going to check out Rubble's Digg'n Bulldozer and Marshall's Fire Fightin Truck. Here is Ryder's Rescue ATV. Here is Ryder. He's a 10-year-old boy and he's the leader of the Paw Patrol. Some of his catchphrases are, "Ryder is here, let's roll," and "No job is too big, no pup is too small." So here he's wearing a helmet with the Paw Patrol sign. And this figure is poseable. His arms move and so do the legs. The head doesn't move at all. And he can stand. Here is Ryder's high-tech ATV. We know that it converts into a snowmobile as well as a jet ski. It says number 1 and has the Paw Patrol sign all over. It's made of plastic. Ryder can sit on it. You just have to connect the hands with the handles so that he doesn't fall off. And now he's ready for some action. Here is my favorite pup, Marshall, and here is his Fire Fightin Truck. So here we have Marshall, the Fire Fightin pup. He's a really cute Dalmatian dog, and we know that he's one of the clumsy ones in the group. He's always crashing into the other pups in the elevator. He's really funny, and some of the birds really seem to be fond of him, like Chicoletta. So this dog is also poseable. The legs move, and the fun part is the head moves too, while Ryder's head doesn't move. So he's fully poseable. And here we have the Paw Patrol signs. And there's a little torch on his helmet, but it doesn't work. So here is Marshall's Fire Fightin Truck. It's made of plastic, and you can ride this truck. Here we have a really cute ladder. So all it does is move around like that, and it can go flat like that. And we have like the fire symbol all over. It's a really nice truck. The best part is Marshall can ride in his fire truck. Some of Marshall's famous catchphrases are, "I'm fired up" and "ready for a ruff-ruff rescue." That's Marshall. Oh no, Scoop is stuck. Someone needs to get her down. Who's gonna help us out? The job is too big and no pup is too small. I'm gonna ask Marshall to help you out. Don't worry, I'll get my ladder. There you go. Oh, thank you, Marshall. You're such an amazing fire pup. You're welcome. Here is Chase with his cruiser. So Chase is a police pup, and he's a German Shepherd, which makes him a really good pup at tracking and investigation. He seems to be allergic to cats and feathers in the series. He's a really cute pup. He also seems to have a crush on Sky the dog. He's a police pup, so what he does is during emergency he directs all road traffic. So he uses his red cones and megaphone and helps out. His famous catchphrase is "Chase is on the case." This is his police car. So it's designed specially for Chase. He can sit over here and ride this vehicle. Also, you can place both the cones in the back like that, and he is ready for some action. And finally, the cutest pup of all. So here we have Rubble, and this is his Digg'n Bulldozer. So here we have Rubble. He is an English bulldog. It's really cute, really small. So his head moves all the way. That's funny. And so does all his legs. There's a really cute construction pack. So here are some tools on the side. This is his bulldozer. So two parts move. Here is a driller. And next we have this scoop. Here is Rubble's Digg'n Bulldozer. So two parts move. Here is the big drill on the back, and it's movable. And then here on the back you can scoop up stuff. So let's try scooping up Elsa. Wow. Well, sorry about that, Elsa. So guys, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel MsDisneyReviews for other fun videos. Thank you.